Hey everyone, Mike here, the BFH Garage. Today we are going to run Spring Creek Trail, and it's a trail right above Idaho Springs. Pretty gnarly, and as you can see, right off the highway, so access is really easy. The first obstacle is right around the corner, and it's a doozy for some people. If you're not a fan of off-camber, this will test your stress level with that. So let's go have some fun. Great slab. Right there, turn back into it now. A little more. Right there, right there. It's going to be interesting. Slow climb, yep. Get ready, you're good, you're good. Do not back up. Slow climb, turn driver. Yep, looking good. Slow climb. Yes, turn driver still. Slow. Slow climb. Slow, go ahead. This goddamn shit is slick. No, it was right off that edge. I'll see what you got. So your passenger's in a little hump. It's about ready to come up, which is good. And turn driver, just keep taking that line slow. Your rear passenger is going to come up. Yeah, good. Turn driver. Now you got that wall to come up. There you go, there you go. Oh, easy, easy. Woo, easy. Put your front tire in the crack? Yep. See what happens there. Eventually we'll find it. I know you're close. I think if you bump it, you might be able to get it. Next time if we get stuck again. Passenger. There you go. Yep. Passenger. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that off-camber stuff is pretty sketch when you're the driver, but when you're spotting somebody and you're watching everything, it looks like it's easy. So when you're driving this seat and you're nervous, pay attention to your spotter if it's a good one, because they're gonna get you through that tough stuff. Looking for a trail report. Spring Creek is a fairly long trail, but it is just brutally bumpy. Everywhere you go, there's rocks and bumps, and if you have a bad back or anything like that, I wouldn't recommend it. This thing beats you up pretty good. Overall, I think the trail's rated like a 7, 8 maybe. That's if you take all of the difficult obstacles like that slab back there that we did. That slab does have a bypass, if you're familiar with this. So if you don't want to do that, you can take the bypass and then still enjoy the rest of the trail. As far as scenery, not a lot of it up here. Like I said, you're looking at pretty much a Forest Service road right now, bumpy as can be. And that's pretty much it for the entire trail. So you don't come here too much for the scenery. There's only one lookout that you get that's pretty, but other than that, standard tough bumpy trail is all. This is about the best view you get while you're up here. You can look down on I-70. And up here there's a pretty cool mine shaft right off the trail. I do not recommend going into mine shafts. It's highly dangerous. Don't do stupid stuff like that, but I can tell you that this one goes in so far you'll get lost. All right, here's the only other view. You get Georgetown Lake way down there, the rest of I-70, and this is it for views. There you go. Turn passenger. There you go. Back driver. Hold up, let me check the other side.
Feels fine.
Yeah, you feel good, and your passenger rear is about ready to start going up. Take it easy. There you go.
Passenger. Hard passenger if you can.
Oh, you bastard. Straight or still passenger?
Hold that line. Passenger rear is going to come up. Passenger. Stay passenger.
This is known as the insane line. Holy crap.
Back it up, slowly.
This is a cool thing about four-wheeling. Take a line as difficult as you think you can manage. If you want to get all extreme like that guy just did, there's a line for everybody. Don't feel pressure to do things that you don't feel comfortable with. Have fun with it. Good line.
Okay.
Your passenger side rear is just up against a big rock. You got to climb it. Control arm mount and frame. Oh man, did you get yourself in a pickle? Turn passenger, try backing up. Do you want to give us a play-by-play on what happened?
Went driver when I should have went passenger.
So here's the other thing about these trails. You're never going to get better unless you try to take some tougher lines. You're going to get stuck doing that, but you're going to learn how your rig operates, what you're capable of, what you as a team are capable of. In this case here, Tyler got a little bit high-centered. That stuff happens. We'll get the other Jeep up in front of him. We'll get him tugged out and moving on, but that is how you get better. Did that hurt?
Yeah, it did.
What's my better line, left or right?
Left. Get your driver tire up on that rock right in front of you. No, on top of it.
Why the hell I got a fucking back up?
Yeah.